Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The camera industry thrives on constant innovation, and Nikon is making waves with the rumored Nikon Z8 II, a potential game-changer for professional photographers and videographers. With speculation about cutting-edge features, strategic pricing, and a focus on eliminating past shortcomings, the Nikon Z8 II could redefine expectations for hybrid flagship cameras. Today, we dive deep into what makes the Nikon Z8 II a serious contender and how it might shake up the market upon release. Nikon Z8 II. The evolution of a hybrid powerhouse. The original Nikon Z8, released in 2023, quickly established itself as a compact Z9 alternative, delivering flagship-tier performance in a more portable form. While praised for its 45-megapixel stacked sensor, lightning-fast autofocus, and 8K video recording, users encountered some notable drawbacks, including overheating during extended recording sessions, middling battery life, and large file sizes that posed workflow challenges. The Nikon Z8 II presents an opportunity to refine these weaknesses and push the envelope further. Industry insiders suggest that the new model will retain its predecessor's core DNA while integrating next-generation enhancements in processing power, thermal management, and AI-driven autofocus advancements. Next-gen processing power and speed enhancements. At the heart of the Z8 II is likely Nikon's latest X7 processor, the same powerhouse found in the Z9. This chip delivers more than just speed. It introduces efficiency across the board. Expect faster burst shooting exceeding 20 FPS with full autofocus and auto exposure, smoother 8K video, and AI-driven computational enhancements like advanced noise reduction, focus stacking, and intelligent subject tracking. For photographers, this means faster RAW processing, expanded buffer depths, and smart tracking improvements. Videographers will appreciate enhanced codec options, including internal 12-bit NRAW and ProRes HQ, both of which were successfully implemented in the Z9. Rumors also hint at lower-resolution RAW options, a crucial addition for event shooters who require smaller file sizes while maintaining post-production flexibility. Overcoming overheating and thermal advancements. One of the biggest concerns with the original Z8 was thermal management. Due to its compact body, airflow was limited, leading to heat buildup during prolonged 8K recording. The Nikon Z8 II is expected to introduce internal heat dissipation channels or even modular cooling accessories to resolve these issues. If Nikon nails this, the Z8 II could rival cinema-focused rigs in terms of reliability, setting a new standard in mirrorless camera performance. Revolutionized autofocus and subject tracking. Nikon has made strides in closing the autofocus gap with Sony and Canon, but the Z8 II aims to push beyond. Advanced deep learning AI algorithms could improve subject recognition, particularly for fast-moving elements like birds in flight, athletes in motion, and low-light scenarios. Additionally, a new 3D Tracking Plus mode might debut, allowing users to customize tracking behavior, prioritizing eyes over faces or locking onto specific colors. This would be a game-changer for sports, wildlife, and event photographers who require precise focus control. Next-level video capabilities. While the original Z8 already impressed with 8K at 30p and 4K at 120p, the Z8 II is rumored to take things further. Industry leaks suggest we might see 8K at 60p, potentially with internal RAW recording, 4K at 240p, perfect for slow-motion shooters, higher bit rates and all-eye compression for enhanced detail, internal ND filters, a first for Nikon mirrorless cameras, simplify outdoor shooting conditions. If Nikon integrates passive cooling similar to the Z9, the Z8 II could even allow unlimited 8K recording, a feat that would position it ahead of competitors like the Canon R5 Mark II. Ergonomic upgrades and build refinements. While the Z8 boasts a durable magnesium alloy body, it is heavier than rivals like the Sony A7 RV. The Z8 II may adopt carbon fiber elements to reduce weight without compromising weather sealing. Other potential refinements include joystick redesign for smoother navigation, additional customizable buttons for quicker access to ISO, focus modes, and shutter speed, dual USB-C ports, improving tethering workflows, Wi-Fi 7 support, enabling faster wireless RAW transfers. Pricing and market positioning. Nikon is known for undercutting competitors with aggressive pricing, and the Z8 II is expected to follow suit. The original Z8 launched at $3,999, offering a budget-friendly alternative to the $5,500 Z9. The Z8 II could land around $4,500, still well below the Sony A1 and Canon R5 Mark II. By strategically pricing the Z8 II, Nikon aims to capture DSLR holdouts transitioning to mirrorless, hybrid shooters needing top-tier photo and video performance, professionals looking for flagship features without the bulk or price of the Z9. Competitive landscape: Nikon versus Sony and Canon. While Sony and Canon are also innovating with their A1 II and R5 Mark II, Nikon holds two key advantages: pricing and ecosystem. Nikon Z mount lenses, especially exotic primes like the 58mm f/0.95, remain unmatched in optical quality. If the Z8 II introduces a 60-megapixel sensor variant, Nikon could dominate the high-resolution market, challenging both Sony's A1 II and Canon's R5 Mark II head-on. Sony's A9 III, with its global shutter, will appeal to sports photographers, but its $6,500 plus price tag leaves room for Nikon to capture hybrid shooters with the Z8 II. Release timeline and final thoughts. Industry insiders speculate the Nikon Z8 II will launch in late 2025 or early 2026, possibly after the Z9 II. Given the current Z8's price drop to $3,500, it remains a compelling choice. However, if you demand cutting-edge video specs, improved battery life, and enhanced autofocus, waiting for the Z8 II makes sense. Nikon's strategy suggests a generational leap, not just a mild refresh. Early adopters of the Z9 II will benefit from trickle-down tech, but the Z8 II's price-to-performance ratio will likely remain unbeatable. Final verdict: a defining moment for Nikon. The Nikon Z8 II isn't just another camera. It's a bold statement from Nikon. By refining the original Z8, adding professional-grade video features, and maintaining an aggressive price point, Nikon is signaling its commitment to hybrid creators. With state-of-the-art autofocus, improved cooling, and exceptional optics, the Z8 II could dethrone Sony and Canon as the go-to mirrorless camera for professionals.